I'm First Alert meteorologist Ashton Altieri. Well, 2023 is in the rearview mirror, and we'd like to take a quick look back at what we experienced weather-wise last year. It was another interesting weather year for Colorado. Our mean temperature, 51 degrees, right on the money there, 51 exactly. That's slightly below normal. Our average mean temperature, meaning the average temperature of all hours of all days, for the last 30 years or so, 51.2. That may not sound like much, but from a climate standpoint, it's actually pretty significant when we're 0.2 below normal. So it was cooler than usual last year, and it was a lot wetter than usual. We had nearly 19 inches of liquid, including melted snow at the airport. That's about 4.5 inches above normal. So a cooler and wetter year than normal. We had 73 days with thunderstorms, nearly 70 days with snowfall, including the days we just had flurries. And we like to brag about 300 days of sunshine in Colorado. Well, it came true for sure last year. We had 301 days when the sky was primarily sunny. So we've got a storm system we're tracking just off the Aleutian Islands of Alaska. So this thing's more than 2,000 miles away from Colorado right now. Based on most of the weather models, we believe that this storm's going to go far enough south that it's not going to bring much snow to Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins. Most of the snow is going to be in southern Colorado, since this storm will take a track that takes it deep into New Mexico, closer to Santa Fe and Albuquerque. If the storm was going to ride right along the New Mexico-Colorado line and set up in southeast Colorado, for example, instead of over the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma, we'd be talking about a much better chance for potentially bigger snow in Denver. But the way things stand right now is we'll probably just get a little bit of snow in Metro Denver from late Thursday into Friday morning. It may not even be enough to accumulate. Now, we will watch areas farther south, especially Monument Hill southward, for the snow accumulation. Temperatures tonight drop into the single digits and teens in most of the state, 20s here in the metro area. Again, the snow we're talking about, it's not until late Thursday, so we're completely dry statewide until then, including for tomorrow. We'll have partly cloudy skies across the state, highs in the 30s and 40s statewide, and then looking ahead to Wednesday, mid to upper 40s, maybe a 50 or 2 here along the Front Range, better chance for some 50s in southeast Colorado. And then here's the preliminary snow forecast based on the European model, which tends to do pretty well with these types of setups. You can see where the snow will be and where the snow won't be. Again, north of Denver, it's going to be really tough to get any snow out of this storm system. Even our northern mountains probably won't get much, but the farther south you go in the state, the higher the likelihood of not only seeing snow, but getting some accumulation from that storm system on Thursday into very early Friday morning. Most of Friday will be sunny and dry across the state, chilly, high 39. So we may not get much snow in Metro Denver, but we will get the colder air for the end of the week. And then the weekend starts with 40 on Saturday, 34 with another storm system coming in with an almost identical timeline. It'll be late Sunday into Sunday night into Monday morning. We could get some snow. Most of that will probably be in the mountains, but we'll keep an eye on it. We should get at least some snow in Metro Denver. And one thing for sure is that storm's going to be much colder. It's originating from Canada. We're going to drop into the 20s for highs. A week from now, the 8th of January, a high of only 25 degrees in the Denver metro area.